This is an animal hill climbing race. The animal contestants are baby dinosaur, puppy, giraffe, zebra, tiger, and lion. The first to start is the baby dinosaur. Wow, it's so fast! Great! It successfully reached the finish line. The puppy is starting now. Oops, it slid down. No problem, try again. Oh no, it ultimately failed. Let's see how the giraffe performs. Although the giraffe looks thin, its steps are so fast. Amazing! It successfully reached the finish line. Now the zebra is starting. Oops, the zebra slid down too. Second attempt. Ultimately failed. The fierce tiger is starting now. Fantastic! The tiger also reached the finish line. The last contestant is the lion. Oh no, it fell from above. No worries, try again. The little lion did great to successfully reach the finish line. They all performed wonderfully today. They're all champions.